Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today Hellena is going to be making for us this chicken pineapple stir fry. So one more time, be nice and comment something good because we just already ate this. I'm just doing the intro now and it is buzzing. Please do try it out. Leave a comment, share, like and subscribe. This is our chicken. We are going to cut it into cubes for our recipe. So what I'm doing to cut into cubes, I'm going to first cut it into strips, then I turn it, and then I cut into cubes such that I have the perfect size cubes. So we are done cutting our chicken into cubes. What we are going to do next is transfer it into a bowl so that we can season it. I'm just going to create a simple marinade. You know this one, the basic one. I have some herbs, I have some spices, salt and some dark soy, and then some oil to make sure everything sticks. Cumin, the paprika, light soy. I'm going to add in some salt, oil, a little bit of my chili oil. You want to mix this. You can use your hands and make sure it's all coated. Oh, and someone may be wondering, you keep on chopping from the same chopping board. Yeah, we clean it well. Don't worry about it. If you have board liners, that would be much better, coded, color-coded board liners. Our chicken is well marinated. So now at this stage, our chicken has fully browned and it is cooked through. We are going to then take it aside and begin to stir fry our vegetables. Go in with our chicken that we just browned earlier. And lastly, our pineapple. Mix all the ingredients together, let them marry and get to know each other. Continuously stir such that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Continuously stir your chicken, your mix, so that all the flavors mix with each other. The pineapple fried chicken is done and ready to go on top of a rice bowl. So let's garnish it with some coriander, chopped coriander, and put out the flame. And we are done. Let's go and eat.